When you get Recipe Cost Pro, you're not just getting a powerful Excel-based app. You're getting a professional-grade user manual designed to help you every step of the way. It's friendly, structured, and written for real-world users in the food industry. Chefs, caterers, manufacturers, and restaurant owners alike. Start with a clickable table of contents. Jump straight to any section with one click. No guesswork, no scrolling endlessly. This manual isn't just text-heavy, it's visually rich, with screenshots that mirror the app layout. So what you see in the manual is what you'll see in the app. Step-by-step instructions are paired with real screenshots and tips to help you set up and start costing in minutes. We even added pro tips to save time and avoid costly mistakes. This isn't a figure-it-out-yourself kind of tool. The support is built right in. Recipe Cost Pro gives you control, clarity, and confidence. Because food costing shouldn't feel like guesswork.